The www, World Wide Web, and Internet are quite different from each other, though the terms are commonly used as the same. The web invented by Tim Berners-Lee is a collection of documents that reside on the Internet, which in turn is a global network of computers. In www, each document is accessible via hyperlinks from the vast collection of documents. Siri, Speech Interpretation and Recognition Interface, is a virtual assistant that operates on Apple's iOS system. The name, Siri, is of Norwegian origin, translating into "beautiful woman who leads to victory," a name the developer of the software application envisioned for his child. The female voice behind Siri in US is that of Susan Bennett. The Australian version of Siri is called Karen, which is the voice of Karen Jacobson, and the British version is called Daniel, the voice rendered by John Briggs. Instagram, often Insta, is a hugely popular photo and video sharing app. The first photo post was that of South Beach Harbor in 2010. 2 years later, Facebook acquired Insta for $1 billion. At the time of sale, Instagram had just 13 employees. A QR code, quick response, is a matrix 2-dimensional barcode invented by the Japanese company Denso Wave. It consists of black squares arranged in square grid on white background. The data is read by an imaging device using the Reed-Solomon error correction and is favored over the UPC barcodes because of its greater storage capacity and fast readability. Fitbit was primarily used to track and monitor the number of steps walked. Interestingly, in USA a murderer was convicted on the basis of Fitbit used as evidence. The data from the Fitbit of a slain woman was able to prove that she was murdered by her husband. SIM card is an acronym for Subscriber Identity Module, used to identify and authenticate subscribers on telephony devices. The physical card is technically known as UICC, Universal Integrated Circuit Card, which contains IMSI, International Mobile Subscriber Identity Number. CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test. To tell computers and humans apart, is a challenge-response test in computing used to determine whether the user is a human or some automated bot. HP, Hewlett-Packard, name was decided by the toss of a coin by its founders Bill Hewlett and David Packard, in which Bill won the toss. This multinational company was started in a rented garage with an initial investment of $538. The computer mouse, called because of its shape, was invented by Douglas Engelbart at the Stanford Research Institute. Unfortunately, his patent expired before the mouse became standard equipment on computers, hence he could not make any financial gains from this amazing invention. Emoji, from the Japanese picture plus character, is a pictogram embedded in messages primarily to convey emotional cues otherwise missing in typed conversations. Face with tears of joy is considered the most popular emoji across the world, named Emoji of the Year in 2015. Skype is an application known for VoIP, video conferencing and instant messaging, part of Microsoft. Founded by 2 Scandinavians and software developed by 4 Estonians, it was originally coined as Skyper for Sky peer-to-peer, but had to eliminate the R, as the Skyper domain name was not available. Yahoo is a web services provider, search engine, email, etc. founded by Jerry Wang and David Filo. Yahoo stands for, yet another hierarchical officious oracle, with hierarchical meaning how its database is arranged in layers, officious meaning the office workers using Yahoo, and oracle meaning source of truth and wisdom. Spam, or junk, mail are unsolicited messages sent in bulk, mostly commercial in nature. It was estimated to account for nearly 90% of the total email traffic. They often contain links to phishing sites, which may contain malware as file attachments. Ctrl+Alt+Del is a keyboard command on Windows-compatible PC systems to terminate application task or reboot the system. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, once said this command was a mistake, as he preferred a single dedicated key for this function and that the Ctrl+Alt+Del was to be used only during the development phase. GPS, Global Positioning System, uses a network of 31 satellites to deliver a location accurately from 7 meters to a pinpoint. The service is owned by the USA government, spending nearly $2 billion every year. So technically, the American taxpayers bear the cost for this facility enjoyed by people all over the world. Google was named as a spin-off of the word Google, which meant a very large number, that is, 10 to the power of 100, 1 followed by 100 zeros. The original search engine was known as Backrub because the system checked on backlinks. Founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, it had a third founder, Scott Hassan, who wrote the original code of the search engine. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.